This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Jellyfish versus Trimlight. We will explore two leading permanent outdoor lighting systems, Jellyfish Lighting and Trimlight, both offering year-round illumination for your home. This comparison aims to highlight their unique features, installation methods, and control capabilities. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of which system might be the perfect fit for your aesthetic preferences and functional requirements, helping you make an informed decision for your property's exterior lighting needs. Jellyfish lighting systems are renowned for their individual LED control, allowing for incredibly precise color customization and dynamic animation effects. Each light is housed within a robust, color-matched track designed to seamlessly integrate with your home's soffit or fascia. Users enjoy advanced app control, offering a vast library of preset options for holidays and everyday ambience. These systems often emphasize architectural accenting, providing a vibrant and highly visible lighting solution that truly stands out. Trimlight offers a discrete, channel-based lighting system where the wires and individual lights are largely hidden from view when turned off. This provides a very clean aesthetic, blending into your home's trim. It delivers a wide spectrum of colors and patterns, perfect for celebrating holidays or creating subtle, elegant everyday lighting. Engineered for durability and weather resistance, Trimlight ensures long-term performance with minimal maintenance. It's often favored by those seeking a sophisticated, less conspicuous lighting solution. When choosing between Jellyfish and Trimlight, consider several key factors. Think about installation aesthetics. Do you prefer a more visible, accentuating light or a discreet, hidden channel? Evaluate the level of customization and control you desire for your lighting effects. Compare the warranty periods and long-term maintenance requirements for each system. Finally, assess your budget and the overall value proposition, ensuring the chosen solution aligns perfectly with your home style and your personal preferences for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.